Hello everyone, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G04 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So all you have to do is tap on power button along with the volume down button, tap on them and hold together. Keep holding a few more minutes, and once you feel vibration, you are in fast boot mode, as you can see. And now by using the volume buttons you can navigate. So just mark power off, tap on power button, and now tap and hold power button to turn on your phone. And now just wait till your phone is rebooted, then you will be able to smoothly use it again. And just unlock your phone. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.